Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Holly Carter. This is Holly Carter Beauty. I am here to help busy women look and feel more confident inside and out without expensive treatments and procedures. So today we're going to talk about fall trends, fall color trends for 2023. I'm going to do a makeup look with you here. And so I've already got my foundation on. I am going to keep it really simple. I'm going to talk a little bit about what the fall trends are. So one of the fall trends is to use, subtle shimmer. Also, magenta is the color of the year. So that is a great color for lips or clothes. Another big trend is going to be two-tone eyeliner. So you would take black or brown for your top lid and then maybe use blue or plum or another color for your bottom lid. That's a big trend. Another big trend is to take a dark lip liner, fill in your lips, and then just take like a sheer gloss and go over the top. Bold lips are really in, so it might be better to do subdued eye makeup and cheek color and then have the bold lips so they're not competing. There's also a thing called sleepy grunge that's in. Lace is going to be big this fall. Over dresses, or mesh is going to be big. Butter yellow is a great color for fall. Also, I think light blue and some green, those are big for fall too. Okay, so let's get started. First, I want to say please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends so you never miss a video. I drop them on Thursdays usually, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Okay, so let's get started. So I've already got my foundation on, I've got eyebrows on, and I'm going to start with my eyes first. So I'm actually going to be using this navy blue color. It's a shimmer. And I'm going to start with my all over brush right here. I'm just going to take a little bit and brush it all over the lid. I've also got a little bit of concealer on to sort of even out the skin tone on my eyelids. And just make sure you blend it in really good. I'm going to go back in. I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to go back in and put more color up on the brow bone closer to my eyebrow. That way you can see the color when my eyes are open. And this doesn't, I know it's like blue eyeshadow, but it doesn't have to be like obnoxious blue, right? So that's a pretty subtle. I'm going to go in and put a little bit more up here on the brow bone and darken the crease. Just like that. Okay. I'm also going to take a little bit, I have a smudger brush like this, and I'm going to put some underneath. I'll probably have to put a little more on because on camera it doesn't show up as much unless you put it on. And then I'm going to take my blender brush and I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, now I'm going to do the other eye same way. I saw this on a model and I just thought it looked so pretty and unusual. But it's just one color, so it's really great. grab the smudger. Put a little bit more up here. I'm going to grab my fluffy brush and blend that really good. Okay, now I'm going to use black liner. And you know, cat eye is always good for, it's a classic look. You can always do that. I don't tend to do that. I just find it really hard for my hooded eyes, but some people love it and they can do it. And so I'm just going to go with my black liner just at the lash line, kind of in between the lashes. And it will just make you look like you have more lashes than you actually do. That's one of the reasons we wear eyeliner. And then I'm actually going to just sort of pull it out just a little bit. There. Okay, let me do the other eye. I have to use my magnifying mirror because I can't see anymore. So bear with me. And then I'm going to finish with black mascara. And you can use any kind of eyeliner you want. This one I'm using is black. It's waterproof. I love it. It stays put. You can use, you know, like an eyeliner pen or a liquid eyeliner, whatever kind of eyeliner you want. I'm going to go on the bottom lash just a little bit, and I'm going to smudge it with my brush. And so I'm not going to carry the color all the way across because I'm going to smudge it with my brush to sort of do that. Okay. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of the blue eyeshadow and I'm going to kind of go over the black liner just a little bit. I'll do a little bit more on the top too with it, just over the top of the black liner. There. Okay. So let me switch my mirror back to regular view. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, I haven't put concealer on. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on. And I know that my eyeliner looks a little dark, but I'm also on camera, so I probably would take a Q-tip and soften it up a little bit. Take some of the color out, depending on if it's daytime or nighttime. If it's nighttime, I'll probably leave it, because if you're out somewhere at night, it's usually dark and it doesn't show up as well unless it's heavier. Okay. And then you can also use the concealer to clean up along the edges if you need to. Okay, so I'm going to now do my contouring and my blush. So I've got these 3 shades. This is a contour shade. It's called Latte. I'm going to take a little bit of it and I'm just going to brush it kind of on my, just under my cheekbone, in the hollow of my cheek, just a little bit back and forth. I can also take a little bit of it and put it down the edge of my nose. You can also use an eyeshadow brush to do this, and then just down the sides of my nose. And then I'm going to take this copper, golden copper in the middle, and I'm going to put that a little bit higher than the contour that I just put on. This is a really great natural kind of look. And you don't need a lot because it can be a little intense. Okay, then I'm going to take this highlighting color, it's called Glazed, and I'm going to put that sort of on the top as my highlight color. It'll add a little bit of shimmer. I can also take a little bit of that and put it at the end of my nose. Anywhere I want to add a little bit of lightness to my look. Okay, I'm going to do my mascara now. Actually, I'm going to take my smudger brush and go over this a little bit and make it a little more even. Okay. Now I'm going to take my mascara, my eyelash curler, okay, and I'm just using black mascara. You can use whatever kind of mascara you like. And I just don't have great lashes. My hair is like straight. My lashes don't curl very well. But I just wiggle it at the base of my lashes and pull out. And I usually put on a couple of coats of mascara. And okay, let's do the other side and let that dry. Occasionally I take the hair dryer and just on low and just sort of warm up the eyelash curler, and then it sort of acts like a curling iron. Okay. And but you have to be careful because you don't want to get it too hot. And of course I've got mascara on my lid now, but I'll just take a Q-tip later and clean that up. And you can put it on the bottom lashes if you want. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Okay, I'm going to put another coat on. And I'm sure you know, but change your mascara every 3 months. It's a great place for bacteria to grow. And of course, one eye always comes out better than the other. And for me, it's my right eye. Okay. Let me take a little bit of the eyeshadow and go over that I just sort of wiped off. Okay. Now for lips, I'm going to use this Pink Nude lip liner. It's a waterproof lip liner, super creamy, has hyaluronic acid in it and vitamin E. And I'm just going to outline the edge of my lips, rub it together. Okay, and this is my lipstick color I'm going to use. It's called Bashful You. It's a semi-matte lipstick. And then over the top, I'm going to take just a soft nude lip gloss and go over the top. And there we are. There's my fall look for today. Please hit the subscribe buttons and share with your friends. Hit the bell so you never miss a video. And please get my guide on 10 tips to a younger you. And look out, I think I'm going to do maybe a fall look workshop. So if you're interested, in the comments, type the word fall. and I will reach out to you and get you some information on that. Or you can go to my Facebook page and private message me. Have a great day, and thanks for stopping by. See you next time.